What is up everyone, this is Mo Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on your Windows 10 device. So let's get right into this. So there's a couple of ways that you can do it. I'm going to literally show you the easiest one. Is you are going to be on your home screen, as I am. You're going to right click into it and you're just going to press personalize. Once you do this, you're going to get to this page and you want to click into the one that says colors. In here, we're going to basically choose colors. Over here is going to ask you certain things. So you want to make it dark over here. So you might see, like, basically it's not just this, everything's going to kind of turn into dark. So it's going to be like a lot of different places where it's just going to change your whole thing into dark. You can, I believe that is the main place where you can have it, and you can essentially change it. So you can see my whole thing turn black or dark, I guess. My window screens turn dark, and I believe if you open up Finder windows, yep, that turns dark as well. So like it'll kind of change your whole, I guess, scenes or things to essentially all of them to essentially turn dark. Now you can have it as a mix. I believe you can customize it and do different ones. Some can be dark, some can be light, as you can see over here. You can have transparency. You can choose the color you want, but again, most folks want dark. This will just change basically all applications and everything to dark. And yeah, that's basically it. It's a simple and very quick tutorial on how to do this, and you guys should be good to go once you do this. So yeah, if you guys still have any comments, questions, concerns, just let me know in the comment section below. I'm more than happy to help you guys out. If you guys overall like this video, please smash that like and helps it out. And if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. On that, Mo Tutorials out. Peace.